Apex Critics Roller Finish, Flexi Finish, Diagonal. Tools required: steel trowel, scraper, TrueCare exterior roller, sponge roller, sanding paper, and SmartCare painting tray. Layers of application: Layer 1, surface preparation and TrueCare exterior wall primer. Layer 2, Apex Critics pattern coat. Layer 3, sanding. Layer 4, 1 coat of Apex Style Guard clear matte. Layer 5, pre-wetting the clear coat with water. Layer 6, 1 coat of tinted Apex Style Guard clear matte with dual shade combination. Application procedure for Flexi Finish Diagonal. Layer 1, surface preparation plus primer. Prepare a surface by solving all the surface related issues. Surface should be leveled enough to have a uniform coating of Apex Critics. Layer 2, application of Apex Critics pattern coat. Apex Critics is applied over the surface by means of steel trowel. Diagonal pattern is prepared by moving steel trowel diagonally over the freshly applied layer. Allow the coat to dry for 12 to 16 hours. Layer 3, sanding. Sand this coat is in the direction of pattern. Layer 4, application of Apex Style Guard clear matte. 1 coat of Apex Style Guard clear matte is applied by using a sponge roller. Make sure that the clear coat is deposited uniformly. Allow drying time of 4 to 6 hours. Layer 5, pre-wetting of clear coat using color wash sponge. Pre-wet the clear coat layer before application of tinted layer to slow down its absorption, producing more working time for color wash technique. Layer 6, application of top coat, tinted clear coat. 1 coat of tinted clear coat is deposited by using brush and color wash sponge. Dual color combination can be used to enhance the pattern. Sponge movement should be very quick and the material dries quickly. Make sure to wipe out excessive deposited material with the help of clean color wash sponge. Coverage: Apex Critics roller finish, 10 to 12 square feet per kg for 1 coat. Apex Style Guard Clear, 60 to 100 feet per liter for 2 coats. Application area for exterior and interior surfaces.